everyone. I just want to say thanks to our dear Almighty because I've reached again my born day, and I hope He'll give me more birthdays to celebrate. And thank you so much for all the blessings, He has given me. I'm so thankful. Thank you, God. Thank you for my health, for my family's health, for my family's condition, that even though we are in simple life, we are a simple family, and everything was fine, everything was good. Thank you so much, and I hope you always guide me, in everything I do, in every decision I make, and I just want, I cannot thank you because my situation here, even I'm alone, I'm good, and I have a lot of things to be thankful to you, God. Thank you so much. Most especially, today is my born day, you know. Ang kulit. Today is my born day. And thank you for all the friends I have. Thank you so much, guys. I cannot mention you all because you're too many, you know. Ang dami ninyo. And thank you so much for supporting me. You are there with me all the time. Thank you so much for the love, for the call, yung kakulitan sometimes. Thank you so much for all we shared sometimes, our lifespan, yung mga problems, we listen each other. Thank you. Kayo naman yung nililisten niyo sa akin, yung crazy. Thank you so much, guys, because I'm so happy. Sometimes, you know, yung parang makulit. I'm a little bit makulit sometimes. Thank you so much. Just thank you. I just want to say thank you because to all my friends who gave me birthday wishes, birthday greetings. Thank you so much because you know, ang sarap pakinggan yung mga message nyo. Super. I'm so happy. You make me happy because yung friendship natin is so much strong. Very strong, you know. Salamat, guys. Salamat sa mga friends ko talaga na pinagkakatiwalaan ako. Salamat sa mga tulong niyo sa akin. It's a big gift for me, that one. Thank you so much. And to my dear sister, I just want to say thank you, Sis Vine Legaspi, because you treated me as a sister, you know, even sometimes before we clash, but we didn't give up. Our friendship didn't give up, and salamat sa'yo because you are always there. You're always there. Who guide me. We're talking each other. We're sharing each other some opinions. Thank you for that. And Shejo na dramatic actress. Salamat sa sa magandang sa akin, message mo sa akin. Salamat. And to kay Kabsat Marie, thank you so much. Natawa ako sa message mo na yung ano ba yung sabi mo? May sinabi ka doon, tapos natawa ako doon. Thank you so much. Sino pa yun? Sis Safina, thank you so much for your great message to me. Thank you so much, sis. And sino pa yung nagbigay sa akin ng message? Si Sis Marg, salamat Kabsat. Thank you so much for your great message too. And salamat sa mga payo mo sa akin, sa mga mo sa akin. And to Sis Lansana, thank you so much for trusting me. Salamat. At salamat sa message mo na napapasweet din. And to everyone, hindi naman dapat ako nagganito, kaya lang, I have some, gusto ko lang din, para tapos, madami man kayo, pero hindi ko man pwedeng kunin lahat, kaya, thank you. Papasalamat ako sa mga friends, sa lahat ng mga sa community natin na super strong. Salamat, thank you so much. And to my friend, Umika and family, thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so much because for your sweet message. Thank you so much, my friend, for your sweet message also to me. I almost forgot. And thank you, Hinachi, for giving me always good message, for making me laugh always when you send video. Thank you so much, Hinachi. And wala na akong mahihiling pa, guys. Salamat, and thank you so much, guys, kasi nagtiwala kayo sa akin as a, as a companion, as a leader sometimes. But I'm mostly on friend. Doon ako naka-label, friend tayo, hindi yung bossy, hindi yung leader na gusto ko kalog, gusto ko masaya. Yun ang gusto ko, guys. And salamat kasi nakilala ko kayo sa YouTube. I will take this opportunity to thanks a lot to all of you guys kasi sa mga samahan natin. Dito tayo nagkakilala. Sometimes we clash, but there, we will know each other. We will grow together. We will know each other, mas lalo pa natin makikilala ang isa't isa because of the situation. Sometimes of the worst situation. Sometimes doon tayo pinapatibay ng samahan, ng matibay na samahan. And thank you sa mga hindi give up sa team. Salamat sa aking mga admin na even sometimes we clash, but you are there. Thank you to my co-founder, Drawdog Gameplay, because today is the birthday of Resbackers, July is the birthday of Resbackers, so I want to celebrate it because July is my birthday also. So, kay Ma'am Reza, sa Team 98+1, thank you so much. Thank you so much because, matagal na ako sa inyo. Magti 10 years na, malapit na, as in, parang magwa 1 decade na. Ganun ba? 1 decade pa is 10 year, ewan ko. Basta malapit na akong mag 10 years sa inyo. Kami ni Omega and Family, malapit na. And thank you sa mga members na nakakonekta sa akin. Thank you so much kasi you trust me to member on my channel, and mag-alala kasi I will support back. I'll try to support back in my ways. And sa mga nagsusupport chat sa akin, salamat. I will always rest back. And salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Sa mga sumusuporta sa akin na mga friends. Salamat. Ano pa masasabi ko? Kahit wala akong handa, salamat kasi the important thing is I'm safe and I celebrate my birthday in good hands. Thank you. And most especially also, even though they don't know, but in my heart I hope it connects to them, to my employer. They're so nice to me. I'm always alone in the home. And sa family ko, salamat din sa kanang call them later. And sa mga friends, salamat talaga. Salamat sa mga nagtiwala sa akin na salamat sa mga I'll try my best to help. I will try my best to help guys in my ways, and talaga. I hope you are happy in our team. Sana masaya tayo. Sa aking admin na si Safina, our PL checker. Thank you so much, sis, for your efforts. Thank you so much, sis. And to Sayuri and Sir Drawdog Gameplay na co-founder ko. Thank you so much. Salamat kasi lalong lumakas ang thank you sa mga friends. Thank you so much sa mga friends talaga na nag-support sa akin. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa Team Resbacker. I will take it the last Team 98+1. Thank you so much. At sa kanyang mga collaborator, thank you so much. Kasi we are connected each other. So, thank you so much to Team Life Journey. Thank you so much, Team Life Journey. And thank you so much, Team Strawberry. Thank you. And to our team we build conjoined fighters, Resbackers, and Strawberry. Thank you so much. Kasi ang lakas din ng team natin kahit ganun lang, at least pasok lahat ng views. To MBS Kingdom of Trio, salamat guys. Salamat kasi still strong. Sa Team Marity, salamat guys. Salamat kasi andun tayo as tayo yung gumagawa ng paraan para tayo maka-success sa ating channel, and which is pasok talaga. It's legit, It's legit. And to my team task force, thank you sa team task force. And the last but not the least, team Rest Backers. Because Rest Backers' birthday, and so it's my birthday, and it's the birthday of Rest Backers also, so I have to celebrate it. And I thank you so much. I hope we build more years to come, and I hope guys we are still strong. We're still strong, helping each other, so that we can get into success, so that we can get into success. And salamat. Wala na akong masabi kung sino pa talaga yung papasalamatan ko. And to my one and only kaaway. to the person who makes me happy, thank you so much, because you make me laugh, you trust me, and thank you so much because naging okay, and salamat talaga. Just want to say thank you, salamat sa'yo kasi you make me happy, and malapit na din tayo mag-1. And to the friend, and to the special friend of mine, say thank you sa'yo kasi you make me laugh, even sometimes I'm a bit hindi okay. Nagpapasalamat ako sa'yo kasi you trust me as one of your friend. You trusted me as one of your enemy friend. Thank you kasi napapatawa mo ako, and thank you kasi thank you for the help you have given me. Salamat, and salamat kasi nagkakilala ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo nagkakilala. Tapos, basta thank you na lang. Thank you so much kasi sa good friendship natin. I hope maging okay natin yung friendship natin. I hope hindi mabrobrok yung trust like before. I hope hindi mabrobrok yung trust. That's the important thing in the friendship, trust. Wala na akong masabi ko, say thank you sa'yo kasi you make me happy. Thank you. Salamat kasi even sometimes we're not okay. Salamat because of those we make our friendship strong. Thank you for that. Wala na akong masasabi kasi thank you talaga. Wadas ko. Salamat. Thank you God for giving me